exactly right. So, we're meeting up here at the gas station. We're gonna go out and rip. We're gonna run up to Droop Mountain. It's gonna be awesome. Waiting for one more. Of course, Adam from We Ride West Virginia is always the last guy to show up. So, you know, we'll see where it goes. Peace. So we're out here at Droop Mountain. Look at this. Beautiful ride in. Couldn't ask. I mean, just beautiful roads. Nice sweeping back roads in the West Virginia mountains. Right part of the Hellbender. Right down the mountain. Come up here. I mean, it is just beautiful. So this is southern West Virginia, in between Lewisburg and Marlington, Route 219. I just can't explain, man. This is the views. So, you know what? Let's go up there.
What's up?
You gonna talk to him?
How you doing? So we're here at Droop Mountain and it's beautiful. It was totally worth the ride. Look at this beautiful scenery.
Oh, we got the guys in here. Hi.
Hello.
Look at a special appearance by Adam from We Ride, West Virginia.
Talking on YouTube makes me nervous.
Oh, I bet. I bet.
That was an awesome ride. Me first. Like I said, my fat ass made it up and down safely. This thing's bulletproof.
Wow. Okay, what?
I was stopping. You want me to start again?
Oh, you look like you're having fun. Look at that. Look at that.
Throw back in there.
You don't want your picture taken?
Yeah, she got it. On the swing.
Oh.
You're the only one that hasn't ridden the swing yet. You got to get on there.
Oh, some of us are the camera people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So that just means
you're just afraid
you
of the
avoid
swing,
fun,
aren't you?
huh?
Oh, somebody's got to capture the moment. Hi everybody, we've been here before,
Yeah.
but we love to eat here, and we're down the area, so I was like, you know what? We're gonna go down, we're gonna take a bite. I mean, it's an awesome place. You know better than that. Come on in, come on in. So this is the Greenbrier Grill and Lodge. It's down on the river. As soon as you get dropped down on the Marlington, it's right here on the river. Awesome place. We've been here before. Wanted to show it again, but you know,
I mean, you really.
let's get something to eat. All right, we're down here, Richwood. This is going to be the end of the day, end of the video. This is actually where the West Virginia Hellbender starts. We just been out playing on a little bit of it. So if you liked any of it, hit us up. We'll tell you exactly what's going on. If you want to, you can come up to the Hootenanny or the, hang on. All right. So if you like the West Virginia Hellbender, a little bit what we're doing, you can come up to the Hootenanny. You can ride with us. The West Virginia Hellbender is actually 136 miles. We've only been playing on a little bit of it. Also, we got the Club Style W meetup with all the guys coming out. It's going to be a fun time. Should come, but if not, it don't matter. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, I had a great day. Whew.
I know.
We've done trying to get back in riding shape here.
Yeah, because we got a big thing we're going to do. So these guys, I don't know. Let's see what these guys are doing. If they had a good day.
And they still produce things. They still make wood get cold.
Oh, Tim being Tim. Oh, you think he's just sitting like that? He rides like that. All right. So I don't know. Do you guys have a good day?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
Always.
Always. All right, so thanks for watching. Hit you up on the next video.